it matters anywhere. It should be standard practice. We shouldn't be talking about sustainable construction. Sustainable construction should be normal construction.
Sustainable construction matters in Africa because Africa is a booming market. We need to learn from either the positive lessons of Europe and the bad lessons of Europe of how to do things better in order for our continent to actually thrive.
We know that there's still going to be a heck of a lot of development in Africa as the fastest growing continent over the next 50 to 100 years. That kind of slight catch-up in development means we cannot make the same mistakes that have been made in many other parts of the world in the way that development and constructions happen.
I think Africa feels the brunt of climate change. At the V&A, as an example, we've spoken about the 1 in 40 year storm. We have had 4 of those in the last 10 years. We don't have a Mars to go to. Mars is not ready for us. So this is our only planet, and I think it's why it matters. And we're in a very vulnerable society. We have a lot of poverty. We have a lot of vulnerability in our society as it is. But it's important that the built environment responds to that. And maybe going backwards, building things the way we used to, with indigenous knowledge and passive design will probably get us there.
But also it's a point of innovation. I think there's so much opportunity to invent new products from waste materials and bring them into communities that can develop them and thrive.
I think that sustainable construction can solve so many things. I think it can solve a skill challenge because now you're upskilling people to be able to do something, so you're giving them a job. It can solve the ability to give a home to people because now you can build faster and so you can answer the need for urbanization and the fast demographic growth. It can solve obviously sustainability challenges, climate change, because if you build sustainably, you reduce CO2, you have better impact on biodiversity, you save water, you reduce waste, etc., etc. So it's really, to me, sustainable construction is a way that is in fact a development way. It's a choice that a country or a community can make to actually turbocharge their development.